Look at that. It doesn't stay on no matter what I use. It's broke. Only 1 year use right here. 1 year. Even if I hold down to it, no good. Looks cool, very easy to use, you know. Fantastic.
My only complaint about this Chefman is how much it beeps. You put it on here, it beeps. Turn it on, it beeps. You want to select a different temperature, it beeps. And it beeps when it reaches the desired temperature. Good. See? You know, so while it does its job very well, I think Chefman could make it so that you can decide if you want the beep to beep or if you want to turn it down. But right now I called them and there is no way to stop it from beeping.
Okay guys, so let me show you this kettle that I bought. I'm just turning it on. I filled it water in this. Depending on the water level, it will take some time to heat, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. So I just bought this and it looks like it's leaking. Doesn't even want to heat no more. Doesn't want to stay on. So I just leaked.
This product was okay. I like the way it heats up and it's all ready for me, etc. The problem that I have is having to press the button to get it to unlock when it is time to use it. As you see, it's supposed to just pop open. I literally pressed it the other day 75 times. And once it's open, you press the button too, and you kind of look at the little closure piece and you're wondering what is hanging it up. That's how many times it took. No joke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 times. That's kind of ridiculous, so whoever the manufacturer was probably needs to go back and figure out why this little thing here continues to get stuck, because it doesn't go in any further. If you press this and try to push further in, no, it doesn't. Down below where it connects, there's nothing here that's feeling like it's hanging it up. That piece doesn't come out, it's not loose or anything, so it makes no sense. FYI, other than that, the heating portion of it works great. It's just kind of annoying when you want to go fast. Es muy práctica y fácil. La temperatura, eso es cuestión de segundos.
Okay, it's boiling. I lost the video of me taking it out the box, but this is the part that I can do my infusion teas, which I love. I always have loose teas, so this works well for me. That's why I chose this one. And it has the little pan, don't touch because it's hot. It's getting on the brew. And it's working! Yeah, it's working. So, it does good. It takes a little minute to heat up, and it switches off. Yeah, I'm good with it. I love me some Craftsman. That's what I can say. Their kettles and products and some of their microwaves and stuff. They're good products. Thank you for my kettle, because I don't know what I would have done. I was like stranded without my kettle.
Just got it today. I gotta do this and squeeze the button and it opens. Otherwise, it doesn't open.
I literally only boiled water in this thing twice. And look at it. What is that? What is that discoloration? And it doesn't help that it's clear and you can see it right through. It doesn't look new at all. I thought it was a good buy in terms of the color, but not with this discoloration. This is, I don't like this.
No me acuerdo, pero ni sabe que le voy a hacer eso, nada menos. Eso me lo voy a tirar a mí. ¿Aquí no?